time is money. That statement rings true in every industry. But perhaps no other industry is as affected by time as the construction business. At Warwick Plumbing and Heating Corporation, we have designed all of our operating procedures around that one truth. We are the largest mechanical contracting firm in Southeast Virginia, known for superior customer service and the highest quality mechanical systems for commercial, institutional, and industrial buildings and facilities. But before we go any further, let's get to the one question you really care about. What can we do for you? The answer is clear. We can save you time, which in turn saves you money and helps reduce frustration and headaches. There's nothing magical about the way we do business, but there is one small difference that can have a big impact on your project. We do the majority of our work before we even arrive on your job site. Once we receive the final plans for your project, we create an intelligent building information model that shows everything that is to go into the building, not just our piping and duct systems. This instantly tells us if there are any potential conflicts, such as a grade beam or light fixture where a pipe or duct should go. At this point, it's easy and cost-effective to make changes in the plans, as opposed to waiting until we're on the job site and discovering there's a problem. In that all-too-common scenario, things must be moved in actual space instead of in a virtual model. Once the mechanical systems are drawn, each system is broken down into manageable components and tracked in our production planning program. Submittals and material deliveries are timed to meet the fabrication schedule, which allows us to work ahead of the project schedule. Once the modeling is finished and the materials have been assembled, our team goes to work building the piping systems in our fabrication shop. Our fabrication shop is a controlled environment, which means our team can work faster and do a higher quality job since they're not battling weather problems or working in constricted spaces. This allows us to achieve quality and production efficiencies difficult to achieve in the field, thus reducing overall mechanical costs and speeding up the job. Piping assemblies are tested and inspected before they leave the shop. Our fleet of trucks deliver these pre-assembled sections to your job site where the final installation takes place. Our advanced laser technology allows us to lay out our hangers and sleeves directly from the CAD model, eliminating potential errors that are inherent in the traditional plumb bob and tape measure method. This dramatically reduces the amount of time we actually spend at the job site. Fewer job site hours results in a safer work environment and less job overhead because coordination issues are minimized. While our competitors' schedules drag on and on due to weather delays and other traditional problems, our team has already moved on to the next work activity.
And what I like most about working with Warwick Plumbing and Heating's prefab process is the timeliness of delivery. Everything is cut and is in great shape when it comes out there. It all goes in exactly as planned. In fact, we just recently had a child development center with almost 60 plumbing fixtures through the slab. Every single one of them came in exactly where they're supposed to be. There were no additional rework. Didn't have to tear out any concrete. It was exactly as we'd hoped it to be, and it was perfect.
One of the biggest advantages of prefabricated work came about at this job site about 3 weeks ago. We had a major shutdown of the chilled water systems where we shut the entire hospital down and took them offline with their air conditioning systems. But with the prefabrication, all the hourly work was done well ahead of time, planned out. We shut the system down, started work on a Friday evening, and by Saturday evening the system was back up and running and finalized on Sunday morning. So about 36 hours to do the work that would have required weeks if we had done it all in the field.
There are other ways we can save you money and provide flexibility to your project. Bring our team in at the beginning. We understand the importance of the budget. Allow us to work with your design professionals to create economical, buildable mechanical solutions. Our LEED certified associates and professional engineers know what things cost. Changes up front can make a big difference to your bottom line without sacrificing quality. Economic mechanical design, higher quality construction, on-time completion, improve your bottom line.
We use them in the early stages of planning for this job to get some sort of an idea how much was involved mechanically and what the total baseline for mechanical was. So we frequently will ask Warwick to be involved in the design side of things, and they're always helpful on that side.
Working with Warwick Plumbing and Heating on the design side has been great. They've been fully integrated from the time we start our design concept drawings. They've attended all of our design meetings, brought value to the design, betterments, suggestions, value engineering, profitability, overall bringing an important key to our design process of having an integrated mechanical plumbing contractor that will work with our designers hand in hand and with the contractor and our client, and has produced some superior designs and constructability.
In the end, it really comes down to experience. Do you really want the company that does it the old-fashioned way? The choice is yours. Instead, go with us, and you'll interact with experienced professionals who can spot virtual problems before they become real problems. Real problems that can translate into days of lost productivity and budget overruns. We know at the end of the day, most companies can get the job done. So the question really becomes, what will the journey be like? Will it be a bumpy road from start to finish? Or will it be a smooth process where you feel confident the team you've hired has the knowledge, the technology, and the experience to bring the job in on time and save you money on the overall budget? Let us help you create a better product with less hassles and delays, because after all, time is money.